Peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 4.1 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question deals with ratio and scale. It says George is doing a school project on bees. He learns that there are three kinds of honeybees, namely the worker bee, the drone bee, and the queen honeybee. The drone honeybee. As part of his project, George builds scale models of the honeybees. So you can see a picture of the scale model. The queen bee is approximately 2 centimeters in length. The length of George's model is 15 inches. So this is the model. So they're saying that the length of this queen bee is 15 inches, but in real life it's actually only 2 centimeters. So show that the model George builds is 19 times bigger than the actual bee, and they've given us the formula to convert a half an inch to millimeters. So for question 4.1.1 part A, we need to first find out what 1 inch equals in millimeters. So they've given us the formula that a half an inch equals 12,7 millimeters. So if we multiply this by 2, we'll get what 1 inch equals. So we multiply both sides by 2. That's going to keep the equation equal. So then we know that 1 inch is equal to, in your calculators, 25,4 millimeters. Okay, so now that we have 1 inch, they have told us that the model is actually 15 inches. So again, if we multiply both sides by 15, we will get what 15 inches equals. So as I said, multiply this side by 15, and then multiply this side by 15. So remember, we're keeping the equality because we're just multiplying both sides by 15. We get that 15 inches equals 381 millimeters. So just put that into your calculator. So we put this part into your calculator to get the 381 millimeters. So now we know what the model is in millimeters for the queen bee. So we now need to convert these millimeters into centimeters because they've given us the real life measurement of 2 centimeters. So to convert millimeters to centimeters, we need to divide by 10 because we know that there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So in centimeters, it's 381 millimeters divided by 10 to give us 38,1 centimeters. So now we can say, so therefore we know that in real life, compared to the model, that in real life we have 2 centimeters, and it's going to equal the 38 centimeters for the model. So if we get a ratio of, we need to divide both sides by 2 so that we have what 1 centimeter equals. So if we divide both sides by 2, we know that 1 centimeter in real life is scaled up to 19 so it's 38,1 divided by 2 centimeters for the model. So therefore it's 19,05 times bigger, which is what they asked us to show in the question. Then on to 4.1.1 part B. They then say write down the ratio scale for this enlargement. So the ratio scale is always the enlargement to 1. So in this case, we know that 1 centimeter equals 19 centimeters. So that means the formal way of writing an enlargement scale would mean that the 19 centimeters is to 1. And you don't have to include units because it is a ratio. So it's 19 to 1 is the enlargement ratio scale. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.